everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make these paper cake gift boxes. Here I made a green kiwi cake gift box, a yellow mango cake gift box, and a strawberry sauce cake gift box. So the things you will need is colored paper of whatever color you want your cake to be. You can also turn the cake box into an animal face or things like this, but I'm just showing what template. You'll also need scissors, tape, and some pens, or one pen is also fun. So here we're going to make a kiwi cake. And since I need a bottom and a top to be the same size, I'm going to cut a piece of paper here, fold it in half. And then here in this step, you'll also need something round to trace your cake in. In this case, I'm going to use the inner side of my tape. So I'm going to put it down on the paper so that I can have two identical colored circles. Like this. So now you have two identical circles. I'm going to make this one my bottom. Next, I am going to take another piece of full-length paper. You can cut a strip of the paper. How long you want your paper to be depends on how big you want your cake to be, and how wide you want your paper strip to be depends on how tall you want your cake to be. So now I'm going to make a circle with this strip of paper here. That's the same size as my circles here. So I'm going to also use the inner circle of my tape, like this, and I'm going to take some tape here first. Like this. And tape the strip of paper together like this. And I will also tape the outside of the cake. And now we're going to take some more tape and secure the bottom, this is the bottom of the cake to the body of it, the quote-unquote body. If you want this to be easier or more secure to be a box, you can use construction paper, but here I'm just using origami folding paper. And now we're going to move on to the top of our cake here. So here on the cake, I need to make a half a slice of kiwi. So I'm going to cut a piece of green paper, fold it in half so that the things I cut out are identical because I have two sides of the kiwi. And now I'm going to use this pen to draw a semicircle for the kiwi. And now I'm going to cut another strip of paper for the width of the kiwi slice. This is the hardest part of making the cake, so take your time and don't rush. And then we're going to fold this over, and you can continue to tape this over like this. And then fold this over, and you can tape this part together. And then I'm going to take tape and tape the other side of the kiwi. And there you go. a kiwi slice. To make the white bit here, which is the heart of the kiwi, you're going to need some wax. So I'm going to cut a small white slip of paper here. And I'm going to make the edges round so that it looks more like the heart of a kiwi. And then we're going to tape this to the bottom. Like this. And there you go, a kiwi slice. I'm going to circle the tape up like this. So it's like double-sided tape made of single-sided tape. And I'm going to put it on the bottom of the kiwi and stick it here. Now I'm going to take some yellow paper for this chocolate bar on our cake. So we're going to cut a piece of rectangular paper of whatever color you want for your chocolate bar. Here I don't have brown, so I use yellow, and I think it looks pretty good. And next is the part that's a little more challenging, which is making the squares in the bar. So you can fold your bar like this and cut squares in it on the fold. The size of the squares you cut on the fold should be half the size of what you actually want. And then tape it or glue it onto your cake. And there we have the decorations on my kiwi cream cake. Now we're going to make the cream surrounding the cake. So here I'm just going to make it simple. You can make it more complicated and some other shape if you want. But basically what we're doing here is we're cutting a strip of paper that's white, of course, and folding it in half many times to make many pieces of cream at once. We're going to draw a semicircle. So now we're going to use some tape and fold a little bit of the cream shape to put tape on and put it here on the edge of your cake. After you've taped all of your pieces of cream onto your top of your cake, you can tape your top with some tape onto your body. And now, since I'm making a double cream cake, there will be cream in the middle of the two layers of cake. So I pre-made this strip of white paper that looks like cream. And now I'm going to use tape to put it on the body. And that is how you make a cake gift box. Hope you enjoyed this video and will try this craft. It's very fun and a great gift to give your friends and family on their birthday or on other special dates. Catch you all next time. And if you have more craft ideas you want me to do, please comment in the comments down below. Goodbye!